I thought he was a great speaker. He articulated everything, and he made you feel like you were participating in everything.
Todd's message, his presence, and what he did was just phenomenal.
His enthusiasm today was just outstanding. It was very natural. It wasn't like, it was a course with 8 points you had to make. You could see it was just very natural, very giving.
I feel that it was a good experience, and with what I learned today, I'm going to take forward in life.
Because his message was about being nice. The bottom line is it's common sense. You just got to be nice. But a lot of people don't get that, and I think he really, in his delivery, I think he hit it home, and I think a lot of people really got that message.
When I first heard the topic, sales, give me a break. I said, well, I'm bringing my staff, but I think an awful lot of Renee, who brings everyone in, and so I said, no, we'll give it a break. I came in and he blew me away. It was so close to what I believe is so critical, and that is to relate to people. As he says, be present. And when you're present with a person, a relationship evolves.